What's up, my little parsley flakes, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. This is a Peruvian cuisine series episode 4. Let's watch as a gringo attempts a Peruvian side dish known as papa a la Huancaina. This looks decadent, cheesy, potatoey, spicy. It's gonna be amazing, I can already tell. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start off this recipe with a little bit of truth. If you have this dish in Peru, it's gonna taste better. The main ingredient are these ají amarillo peppers. I'm not able to find those around me, so I got the next best thing, ají amarillo paste. However, the preservatives that they have to include in here change the flavor of the pepper, and it's not for the better. But let's move past this. Can we move past this? Let's do the best we can. We got a small yellow onion. Now, I've seen recipes use this, I've seen recipes without it, but I think it's gonna add a nice flavor in there, so we're gonna include it. Just doing a rough chop, because this is going right into a blender. I'm gonna throw these in a pan just to get some color. Perfect. Let's throw our onions in the blender, along with some evaporated milk, 3/4 of a cup, 4 tablespoons of our ají amarillo paste. Gotta order another bottle. 4 saltine crackers, 1 garlic clove, 10 ounces of queso fresco. Yeah. Teaspoon of salt, pepper, and let's blend. While that's blending, we go into Instagram mode and we drizzle in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Let's give that a taste. Wow, this is amazing. Damn. All right. Let's get the potatoes going. We're starting off with gold potatoes. We got 3 of them. We're just gonna make a small incision around the potato, throw them in a pot. We're gonna boil these guys until they're fork tender. Perfect. And now we just peel them. And we're just gonna cut these up into 1/2-inch slices. Little guy fell apart on me, but that's okay. We're still gonna eat it. Let's move these off to the side to cool down. Woo! All right, we got some olives for garnish. And this isn't how it's normally served, but I wanna chop these up so we get a bite of olive with each bite. There we go. You should be warned, this is not traditional. Anyway, let's hard boil a few eggs. Let's plate these up. We're gonna throw down a couple pieces of lettuce and lay our potatoes right on top. And let's drizzle our Huancaina sauce. Ooh. We're gonna throw on a hard-boiled egg, top that with our chopped olives. And finish that with a little bit of parsley. And that's the gringo version of papa a la Huancaina. Let's give this guy a taste. A little more of that sauce. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh my God. Look at that. It's so creamy. It's so like, with the potato, it's so velvety. To be honest, I thought it was gonna be a little weird cold, but it's absolutely perfect. Oh. Peruvians know what they're doing. Oh my God. Papa a la Huancaina? God, I love saying that. Success. Huancaina sauce. This is going on everything. All right, I know it's not completely authentic, but did you like it? Did you like this episode? If so, go check out the other Peruvian episodes. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Come on.